Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. The message today is simple and I advise you to do it soon. I will short the real estate market, the global real estate market, because the housing market will somehow uh, will go down in price just because of the interest rates. I saw yesterday night um, on few TV channels and mostly business news channels, right? I saw that the interest rates and mortgage rates are getting higher all over the world. But my best target is to get an ETF on Nasdaq, and I'll show you. It's an American stock. Have a look. It's an ETF. Have a look in here. Okay, the interest rates are going up. This is May 5th, but again, it went higher. As of yesterday, I saw a different number. So it's over 6% that you're going to get on your mortgage. And I think it's even higher. I don't know your credit score, but it will be higher than 6%. So what I'm saying, it's not a lot of families will afford a $700,000 house. So think about. Let's say you have a $700,000 house, but my advice to you is sell it. It will cost you cheaper for the next 2 years to stay in a hotel than to throw away $250,000. Because I'll bet you that $700,000 house will drop in price just because of these uh, panic in the mortgage market. You will see. Anyway, if you don't want to sell it, do this trade to cover yourself, to cover this loss, because you will gain whatever you lose on the value of your house, you will gain on this trade. Have a look. Go on Yahoo Finance, all right? And remember this. The code, the symbol, it's DRV, okay? So it's a daily real estate bear shares. Again, it's a reversal. When Remax or other real estate stocks will go down, these guys, they're going up. That's why I want you to use it. It's a 3x. It's an accelerated um, bear type of ETF, okay? So again, yesterday went up $3. I bought 2 days ago at an option contract at $9. I'll show you. All right. So 2 days ago, I paid $9 for a 43 November call of these DRV. I'm advising you to do the same. Again, plug in few thousands, maybe 10,000, maybe 15,000. Do your calculations, because if the price of your house goes down, you will recover from here. If the price stays the same, you will lose this money. So again, just for your comfort and to sleep okay till November, pay this as an insurance, just because you don't want to see the prices melting in front of your eyes. Again, have a look. You go in here, click the button. Have a look. You come in here and click on options. Talk to your broker. He will educate you how to pay these. But have a look again. DRV, it's Direction Daily Real Estate Bear. Okay, DRV options. Boom, you go in here. I chose November, and you'll see in here it's 18 of 11. I'm talking November. So 18th of November will expire 2022. Okay, and what I'm saying is I pay $9, and now my option contract it's worth $10.50. All right, talk to your broker and listen to these. Just do what I'm telling you to do. It will help you out to sleep uh, better at night whenever you know that you have it covered. Okay, so again, remember, it's worth it. Pick and choose one of these strike prices and just ensure your value of your house. All right, again, I repeat that it's easier for you for the next 2 years to live in a hotel than to see your $700,000 house that may go down to 450 or even lower. All right. So thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.